Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, stir together flour, baking soda, and baking powder. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Beat in egg and vanilla. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven, or until golden.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In addition, baking powder produces a slightly different texture in cookies than baking soda does. While baking soda will create a coarse, chewy cookie texture, baking powder will produce a light, fine cookie texture. To achieve the best cookie results, use a double-acting baking powder as a substitute.
Take our lead.
How to make sugar cookies without baking soda or powder. In a mixing bowl, beat butter and sugar until fluffy. Add egg and vanilla. Beat until smooth. Add flour and salt. Arrange the cookies on a baking sheet and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Cool the cookies on a wire rack before serving.
Take our lead.
While overcooked sugar cookies are certainly still palatable, they'll be hard and crunchy, instead of soft and chewy. Right pointing arrow follow this tip. Pull the cookie sheet from the oven as soon as they've set and gained some color, but not too much. They should also look slightly crackled across the center.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.